Hi, this is Paul with X Digital, and today I'm going to show you how to linearize a Versant 3100. Let's get started. First, we need to log on to the machine as an administrator. Touch the login, logout key, and your login is admin, A-D-M-I-N. Enter. Now that we're logged in as an admin, you can jump right into Tools, and you can do a full width array density uniformity adjustment. We choose our paper tray, save it, and we wait while the array warms up. Now that we're warmed up, simply press start. So now we wait, and in the meantime, the machine's going through some internal calibrations, and then it's going to print a couple of pages that the full width array inside is going to take a look at to make it all of its adjustments. The pages are out, and now we come back to our screen. You can select a sample printout or just choose Save. And now you're notified that the settings have been saved onto the system. And that's it. And that's how you perform a linearization on a Versant 3100. If you're interested in purchasing a Versant 3100, please reach out to us on our website, via email, or calling our phone number. Thank you.